Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the activities that has to be done in the chapter A Treat for Mosquito. Let's start with it. Students, you have to do the following activities for this chapter. Here are 3 activities. Poster making activities. The second one is study blood report and the third activity is draw life cycle of mosquitoes. Let us see what to do in these activities in detail. How to do these activities? Let us see. Activity 1. Poster making. Make a poster which describes the method to keep us safe from mosquitoes, especially in rainy season. Students, as you all know, in rainy season there are lot of mosquitoes all around, and these mosquitoes can bite us and causes malaria and dengue. These diseases, as you know, can be caused by the mosquito bite. So we have to avoid that mosquito bite. How to do it? Let us find out. You have to find out the different methods by which we can avoid having mosquitoes around us. So you have to make a poster on the topic "Be aware of malaria, which is caused by mosquitoes." So this is your activity. You have to make a poster on a sheet of paper. The next activity, before the next activity, let us see these pictures. What do you see in the pictures? Here is a blood test report and the life cycle of mosquito. Let us see what to do. Activity number 2. Study the blood test report. Here is a blood test report shown in the picture of Rajat. So you have to study it and let us see what to do. Study the blood report and answer the following questions. Whose report is this? First you have to find out whose report is this. Yes, this is Rajat's report. What is the age of the patient? Here patient is Rajat. So you have to find out the age of the patient from the test report. What are the symptoms or the diagnosis? What is the result of blood test report? You have to write what is the result. Who is a pathologist? Students, you should find out all the questions from the test report and the last question is for analysis. You have to find it out yourself. Who is pathologist? Means the person who is called as pathologist. You have to find out the answers. What are the stages of life cycle of mosquitoes? Do you know? Yes, this is the life cycle of mosquito. Adult mosquito gives eggs. These eggs then develop into larvae which are converted into pupa, and the adult mosquito develop from pupa. So this is the life cycle of mosquito. See, understand and draw. And you can draw the life cycle of mosquito on a sheet or you can make a model of it. Thank you. Complete your activities and enjoy.